Well, good morning, everyone. It's around 5 o'clock in the morning, and we got plowed out a little bit. And I found my car. Thank you to whoever did this. Appreciate it. Made little pathways to the front so we can get out to the cars at least and get them uncovered. And hopefully today they will finish doing the plowing. Hopefully they can get over here. I hear more plowing going on over other places, so the roads must be a little bit more clear. Well, good morning. Hope everyone's doing good. Very, very cold. Chilly, chilly, chilly. They look like ice cream cones or snow cones. And it's very peaceful out here at night. Well, I just wanted to give you another update. East Coast massive snowstorm 2020. Well, I guess we'll be glad when 2020 is over. A lot of things happen in 2020. Well, have a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.